Hi, I'm Gavin. Here is the cross section. You can see the section cut through the first floor is the bedroom and then corridor and the walk-in closet. The ground floor we cut through the storage and the dining area, and then the basement we cut through the red room and bar area at the right hand side. And it's the floor plans. You can see the main floor at the left, the upper floor, and the basement. Then we zoom into the energies of the ground floor. You can see we use some natural materials like stone and wood. And then the left hand side is the cabinet we use for storage the clothes and the shoes. And in the middle, the picture which took by our client Maria. And the right hand side, which have the wooden bench is made by our client Jose. Here is the living area. You can see we chose some colourful and unique sofa and armchair. And then on the wall you can see lots of different photos which also took by our client. And at the left hand side have some shelf to display their souvenirs. And the dining room, you can see in the middle is the solid wood table which made by Jose, and then the photo in the middle is also took by Maria. And at the right hand side we use some wood panel to cover the toilet door and the storage door to make the design clean and simple.
Our goal for the kitchen design was to use the elements from the adjectives that we use, diverse, vital, and vibrant, by using different colored materials such as the multicolored backsplash, the multicolored bar stools, as well as using gold hardware fixtures throughout. And we also used green cabinetry throughout the kitchen as well as the breakfast area. We also used a lot of wood materials, and we tried to add a little bit of warmth using a lot of brown and reds and yellows throughout the design.
Next, we will head to the upper floor and focus mainly on the master bedroom, which includes an ensuite. To match the vibrant theme of our house, we have chosen green as the primary color of this room. Firstly, we have installed a custom accent wall featuring beige plaster on the left and walnut wood slats on the right, which extends to the adjacent wall. Also, we have a custom semicircle shaped headboard for the bed covered in green fabric and custom nightstands on the both sides.
For the ensuite, we wanted to bring out the same elements from the primary bedroom by using a lot of green tones with the use of this green, beautiful herringbone pattern tiled wall, as well as a beautiful Calcutta green marble.
Next, we will shift our attention to the second bedroom. In an effort to maintain consistency, we have designed the accent wall to resemble that of the master bedroom. On the left, we have used an orange tone plaster that extends across the wall to create a semicircle shape towards the window side. On the right, we have installed the walnut wood slats. Also, we have added a white plaster headboard in the middle of the wall, giving a lighter feel.
Hi, I am Phoebe. After introducing main floor and upper floor, we are now heading to the basement with red room, bar area, and home office. Basement can be a totally different and novel design apart from the other floors. 3 pop-up action gaming chairs are set in front of TV for family to play video game. 3D cartoon wallpaper and colorful carpets reflect how our design play with action furniture. Together with neutral wood and plaster tone in bar area, it is a diverse space. For the home office next to red room, the design keeps playing with vibrant color and wood textured furniture. Textural plaster wall helps the custom millwork table pop out. The user can put camera on wood shelves and table in middle for handling. The working tables with computers are oppositely placed. Thank you for watching.